広めだ歌え僕の生もの逃げ道はありません稲光すなわち剣に誓う
Hello everyone, this is the Genshin Guy, and for today this will be a gene guide. You may be wondering why I am even making a gene guide now in the first place. It's because Furina and Jean are an insane duo now, so that's why I am making this guide. So in today's video I will cover her best weapons and artifacts, her kit, constellations, a few teams, a nuke showcase and Abyss 12 top half. So starting things off with her kit, her normal attacks are actually quite good because of a fall damage trick that you can use to cheese your way through anything. Her normal attacks are 5 physical attacks that has a 50% chance to heal your party based on Jean's attack. Her skill throws small enemies and when held can pull them in and launch them. Now here is the fall damage trick that I was talking about earlier. When you launch the enemy using her charge attack, you can use the held skill to pull it down, deal fall damage and then throw it in the air to deal more damage. But leaving all that aside, let's talk about her burst, cause that's what makes her Furina's best teammate. Her burst can heal your party to basically full HP in one go and deals AoE and MO damage. It also creates a field which heals the active character and deals a Nemo damage to enemies in the field, and it also acts like a cleanse that can remove debuffs like the Hydro one that increases your cooldown time. Now for her passives, her first one we already covered and her second one basically turns her 80 energy cost burst into a 64, and for the last one it's just a cooking passive. Now for her constellations, her C1 helps a lot with the fall damage trick, cause when you hold her skill for more than 1 second she increases the pulling speed and increases damage by 40%. Her C2 will increase the whole party's attack and movement speed by 14% when she picks up an elemental orb or particle, which can help ride an auto attack speed. Her C3 and 5 increase her elemental skill and burst talent level by 3 levels, and for C4 when you use her burst she will reduce all enemies and Nemo resistance in the field by 40%. For her C6, when you're in the field created by her burst, incoming damage is reduced by 40% and last for 3 or 10 seconds. For her best weapons will be Aquila cause of the high base attack and her healing scales on her base attack, and the physical damage is nice if you want to be a Jean main, and the passive will increase attack by 20% and heal your character when you take damage. However, her best in slot is going to be Freedom Sworn, but I know a lot of you watching may not have Freedom Sworn, so you can use Fave Sword cause it's the best 4-star options as it will grant you a lot of energy recharge. Other 4-star options include weapons like the Iron Sting or Lion's Roar. However, I recommend for 5-star use Freedom Sworn and for 4-star use Fave Sword. You can run weapons like the Blackcliff Long Sword or Battle Pass weapons, but those weapons will mostly be for Jean mains who are F2P, and since Jean is a support I don't think you should use those. Also, if you're an OG player you may have Festering Desire, which can be a strong 4-star option. Moving on to artifacts, for a support Jean you will want 4-piece Viridescent, since not only does the 2-piece grant you 15% Nemo damage, but the 4-piece also increases swirl damage by 60% and reduces opponents' resistance to the swirled element by 40% for 10 seconds. However, if you are a Jean main you can use 2-piece Viridescent and 2-piece Shimenawa. Here is how your stats should be.
僕から離れられないんだね。準備万端だ。出発しよう。わかった。若者に付き合ってやろう。
ターゲットは絞れたの？出陣の時。弱滅の時。裁きの怒り。
覚えたわよ。私のお家にいらっしゃい。光り輝くがいい。
風、私に答えるのだ。見切りました。稲光、すなわち永遠なり。
お披露目だ。歌え。僕の名のもとに。
裁きの雷、剣に誓う。無我の境地。久々の見切りました。高よ、写真を起こせ。
知識はあなたにも。カジャーン。世界を熱狂の渦
と思うな。風の神よ、我らを導く。稲光、すなわち永遠なり。このあなたの逃げ道は一緒に踊りましょう。
私のお家にいらっしゃい。光り輝くがいい曲になってね。
剣に誓う。まだヒュッ。ここより弱滅の時が。だから裁きの雷、いざ。
知識はあなたにも。僕を称えよう。世界を熱狂の
まだ諦めるわけには。風、無我の境地。
私のお家にいらっしゃい。光り輝くがいい。
剣に誓う。逃げ道はありません。ここより弱滅の時。
I think Jean is certainly a really strong character right now since she is an inseparable teammate for Furina. Overall, she is a really viable character, and if you haven't built her yet and you have Furina, then I certainly recommend you build Jean. As always, if you enjoyed the vid, then drop a like and sub, and I'll see you all on the next vid.